Well, so far it snowed a bit last night with that storm. Part of the laneway's plowed or cleaned off. Cleaned off the truck a little bit. It's covered in ice because it was warm and the ship melted, and then it snowed more and snowed more and snowed more again. It's kind of cool. You see that huge snow hill across the road, across the street. I cleaned off the Jeep a little bit. I had it all ready, put it in 4 low, just in case, you know, they didn't plow the streets. But guess what? Unbelievably, they plowed the damn streets. Oh well, much as it sucks. Nah, it's not that bad. Last time when it got this cold, the Jeep wouldn't heat up worth shit. So I had to put some cardboard between the condenser and the rad so the damn thing would heat up. What a joy. I gotta say, you got a pretty good voltage drop in the brand new battery that's in there, so the alternator is not giving any back, I guess. Well, it is. It's dropped over 1/2 volt anyways, which is not cool because it should be up. It's slowly starting to make its way up. Of course, I had everything on to warm up everything, so you never know. I just may have drained everything. My bad. Alright, see the volt gauge? It's back up. It was almost at the line below the 14, so I'm going to guess it was reaching about 12. And, you know, with the alternator running, everybody knows it's over 14 anyways. So it just basically brought it back up. And it seems to be okay. My temp gauge is a little high because I got a piece of cardboard in front of the rad, right? So that's the whole point. You don't get real heat unless you do something like that. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day. Freezing cold. And it's supposed to get colder. Gotta love it. Bring on the snow. I want more snow. Anyways, thanks for watching. Usual stuff. Enjoy.